the screws have been removed, and what I've done is I've taken and I put the screws in its other water pump in the new one. Therefore I don't misplace the screws, so they go back in the order that it came in. So from what people have been saying, hopefully this oh man, do I have to remove another one? Let's see here. Shoot, I hope I don't. It looks like I might have to. Oh, there goes the water. I might have to remove the alternator belt, alternator, something. Ah, bugger. What else here? This. Maybe that bolt. Okay, I lied. There's two bolts. There is a 14 that is the main that holds that alternator with the water pump, and then back here there's the second bolt. Where's my finger? Right here. Right there. That bolt there. Not this top one, but you can move the top one if you wanted to. That's a 10 mil. That one is a 12 mil down there. Yeah, I didn't remove it all the way. I just moved it. I just loosened it off so it comes off somewhat. And then the water pump sort of just comes right off. And I don't think I can move it up from the top, can I? Shoot. I'm gonna drop it here. Sit there. Come from the bottom. Hang this bad boy out. There we go. Try not to damage any parts here. Whew. Here we go. So, new water pump, old water pump. Why is it black? I don't know. Maybe it's the design of it. It's not a Honda part, that's all I know. Because Honda is Honda. This is No Name. No, it's not No Name. CH1. I thought it was China. Well, whatever it is, it's garbage. Okay. So here's the old water pump, here's the new water pump. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I wasn't even thinking. The new water pump comes with a seal. So, I bloody hell didn't even need to order a frickin' another seal. Unless I tore that one apart. So, I don't know if they'll give me my money back or what. Bitches. Alright. Time to install this bad boy. And the best way, well, clean that as best you can. Try not to get any water in there. What's the best way to get this in here? From the top end or from the bottom? Well, I got it out from the bottom. So, might as well go in from the bottom. But I only have one freaking hand and one on the camera. Dang it. I'll go from the top. Will that fit? No, it won't. Alright, hold on. Alright. Finally got the water pump in. Relief. Getting there. Next is the timing belt. I went and I ordered myself a alternator belt as well. Same with the power steering belt. Might as well do them all, because I don't know when the last time it was done, and from just looking at it or inspecting it, focus in here, there we go. You can see that's pretty bad shape. here's the other belt here. And it looks pretty worn too. Look at all those cracks. So, get her done. All in one shot. It'll save you time and hassle. So, I've got one belt. Oh shoot, which belt is which now? God damn it. Gotcha. Alright. So, genuine Honda belt. Ordered from, where was it? Honda Auto Parts online.com. They're pretty good. Pretty good with things, I think. Where is it here? Genuine Honda Parts. Yeah. Where are we here? They're called Majestic Honda, but there you go. HondaAutomotiveParts.com. You can call them 1-800-341-4113. As you can see, all my stuff cost me almost $2 bills. But I'm in Canada here, so that's cheap. And the stuff I've ordered, yeah. Hoses, seal, pump, it adds up. And it's not a lot of things. But if I were to order it up here, I would say that would be almost double the price, if not more. Yeah. And doing it myself, well, that's even saving more money. Right now, I think just the timing belt alone at the shop would be $1,000. Probably a head job there, maybe more. So we're probably looking at like almost $1,500. Hell no. Hell no. Alright. Seals in. Put the belt on. Here's the pulley belt. Here's another gear. Here's the timing gear, or the something gear. That's the alignment for the timing belt there. Gonna put all that up and get back at you. Alright, so got my new belt in for the alternator. Gotta put the pulley on there as well. And then what? Don't do what I did. I switched this around, putting this face inwards the other way. And I'm like, what the frickin' hell? Why won't it go in? Looking at the key and realizing it's backwards. So yeah, don't do that mistakes, because if you flip it around and try to wiggle it in and get it in, it won't even go halfway there. So yeah, make sure you have it on the right way. Don't forget the what is it? The timing belt spacer back there, that metal part. So put your belt on first, then put this on, and you'll be on your way. That way you don't have to adjust any of this stuff. Alright. Alright, so I got the timing belt on, and I got the alternator belt on, which was a bitch. I don't know where the adjustment for the alternator is, or the alternator, yeah, I don't know where that is. So what I did, after installing the timing belt, I put this harmonic balancer in first, without the belt. Put the key in there, used the impacted that bolt, and then I slipped the belt over top of here, over the crankshaft pulley there, and the balancer, and then with socket, wrench there, pretty much turn it counterclockwise. Alright, you can see everything is in motion here. No grinding, no nothing. When you're doing this, you will need to tighten up that, where is it there? There it is. That, the tensioner. Just the tensioner. And then from here, once that belt is on for the alternator, you can then reach in from underneath here. One hand tucked over the pulley, one hand cranking, and you can sort of just slip it over. That way you don't have to mess with the alternator here and there. So again, one hand is cranking and the other hand is with the belt above the alternator there, and then just slip it right over as you're turning, and you'll get some momentum to just feed it over. Whew. So the major job's done. Yeah, put the valve cover on, put the power steering belt and pump back together, and then we got the airbox. That should be it from it. Oh, and then put the timing covers on here and there, and away we go. Alright, so I've managed to get the power steering pump in there, put the belt on, and again, put the belt on, tighten the bolt here, not too tight though, just have it snug, and then your adjustment bolt is here, your tension bolt. Alright, from there you want to get that, and then what I did is I put my finger here, sort of just pulled it up, and then on the with another hand tighten this bolt here. That way it's you see it's pretty tight. The tension is it's there. And then now I gotta put the ground cable back on, and valve cover, so, and then the timing covers. So everything seems to be checked. I checked the tension here. That's pretty tight. And that's how it should be here. So that's what they said. I rotated the whole, as you remember, I rotated everything. So once you rotate everything counterclockwise, about 2 revolutions there, or 2 times completely, everything should be okay. If there's any interference, then something has gone wrong and you have to go back. So alright, well, here we are. It is finished. It's running. It is running. Purr like a kitten. Let's see. Oh, blowing hot air. Beautiful. What do we have on the odometer here? Can you see that? 3, 6, 8, 5, 70.